Hai, Assalamualaikum Puan. Saya Nur AQILAH binti ISMAIL, nombor matrik 14DM19F1026.
Saya NURUL binti AZMAN, 14DM19F1028.
Saya THANESKARAN KANNATHASAN, nombor matrik saya 14 F1022.
Kami daripada grup 4. Hari ini nak buat video perbincangan lab 3. Tajuk dia Equilibrium. Dia punya lab tu ada 9. So kita orang bahagikan 3 untuk cepatkan siap kan. Saya ambil 1, 2, 3. Pak di mana?
Saya ambil
Ika.
Saya ambil 7, 8, 9. Yang lab 3 tu ada kiraan tak?
ada
Ada ya.
ada kiraan.
Nanti yang kiraan tu kita buat sama-sama lah.
Lagi siapa nak edit video? Ila edit. Boleh edit?
Boleh. Tapi
Boleh.
nanti post dekat YouTube Ika je lah. Nanti Puan punya senang cari.
Ya, itu mesti. Kila nak edit pakai apa?
Pakai VN.
Boleh.
Okey lah. Yang report tu macam biasa kan, kita buat individual kan?
Tapi kali ni kita hantar dekat CDOS.
Okey.
CDOS.
Ya ke?
Sekejap, tengok tally sekejap. Oh.
Sebab dia kata Google Form dia ni dah hang apa tah. Okay. Ini lab yang equilibrium tu, lab 3. Ni dia punya rubrik lah lab dia. Ni first day objective, second introduction ataupun teori. Panjang juga. Dengan equipment. Ni part saya. Prosedur. Result dengan lab ni ada 8 je, tak ada 9. So prosedur dengan result Ika. Discussion, conclusion reference Tanis. Okay. Lab ni ada 8 je tau. Sebelum ni kan ada 9 kan.
Tapi kan sebenarnya dalam
Yeah.
yang nombor apa tu? 5 tu kan ada 2.
Nombor 5. Result dia.
A dengan B.
Table set A. Okey.
5A Ika buat, 5B Tanis buat.
Tak kisah. Boleh je.
Okay. Okey Puan, tu je video perbincangan grup kami. Seterusnya sambung video presentation.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur AQILAH binti ISMAIL. I will present about lab 3. The title is Equilibrium of Force. Okay, I will present about objective. The objective is to study force acting on vertical plane using graphical method. Okay, next, introduction and theory. Introduction. The design of all types of structures is based on the effect of their own weight, the force acting on them, and whether the structure is moving. Normally, in structural design, there is no motion and the bodies are said to be in static equilibrium. Newton's first law of motion says, an object at rest tends to stay at rest and an object in motion tends to stay in motion with the same speed and in the same direction unless acted by an unbalanced or external force. A system of force in equilibrium satisfies two principles. Number one is the resultant of the force must be zero, and number two is the moment of the force about any point must be zero. Usually, mathematical way of writing this for a three-dimensional system is with 6 conditions. Fx equal Fy equal Fz equal to 0. Mx, My, Mz equal to 0. The graphical method. If a system of force in one plane acting on the body in equilibrium where F equal to 0 and M equal to 0, then the vector of diagram is closed polygon. In case where there is 3 concurrents of force act on the particle, the diagram produced is a triangle. This is example for triangle of force. Okay, F2, F1, F3. Okay. Mathematical method. The most common two-dimensional resolution of a vector into rectangular components where Fx and Fy are vector component of F in the x and y directions. First in x-axis, Fx equal to F cos 30. First in y-axis, Fy equal F sin 30. First relation, F2 equal Fx 2 plus Fy 2. Next, I will explain the equipment and apparatus. First, this is force board. Function. Force board is a common physics lab apparatus that has 3 chains or cables attached to a centering. This is centering, and this is cables. Next is protector. Function of protector is a measuring instrument typically made of transparent plastic or metal for measuring angle. The next is cylinder. The cylinder is the space through which the piston travels, propelled to the energy generated from the combustion of the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. Next is ring. The function of ring is used to identify whether the system is balanced. And last one is pulley. Function of pulley is a wheel on an axle or shaft that is designed to support movement and change of direction of a taut cable or belt. That's all from me. Next, we'll continue by NURUL ATIKAH. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURUL BINTI AZMAN. My register number 14DEM19F1028. Okay, I continue with my part, which is procedure and result. Number 4 is for the first, suspend the hanger on 3 string as shown. Number 2, place some weight on the hanger. Record the angle and weight on each string. Include the weight of the assumption. The pulley are frictionless. Number 2, the string are very tight so that the direction can be marked out accurate. Number 3 is the mass of the string is negligible. Okay, number 5, the result. Part A is graphical method and B, mathematical method. Okay, here I have the 3 force. For force 1 and force 2 have the same weight, and force 3 different weights and different angle. Okay, this is the result. Okay, for force 3 equal to 100 gram. This is have 3 force also, and force 1, force 2 same weight and different angle. Okay, F1 equal to 40 gram divide 1000 equal to 0.04 kg multiply 9.81 equal to 0.3924. F2 equal 40 gram divide 1000 equal 0.04 kg multiply 9.81 equal to 0.3924 N. This is also the same method, and this is F1x equal to 0.3924 cos 48 equal negative 0.2626626 N. F2x equal 0.293924 cos 45 equal 0.275 N. F3x equal 0 cos 90 equal to 0 N. F1y equal 0.3924 sin 48 equal 0.2916 N. F2y equal 0.3924 sin 45 equal 0.2775. F3y equal 0.4905 sin 90 equal to 0.4925 N. Okay. This is for table 2. F1 equal 60 gram divide 1000 equal 0.0 kg multiply 9.81 equal 0.5886 N. This is also the same method. And for F1x equal 0.5886 cos 60 equal 0.2943 N. Okay, this is also the same method, which is for calculate the force. The last one is F1y equal 0.5886 sin 60 equal 0.5097. This is also the calculate the force. Okay. That's all from me. Thank you.
Selamat sejahtera, saya THANESKARAN. Saya terangkan discussion The discussion the equilibrium is the state in which the force applied on body are in balance. The forces are considered to be balanced if the rightward force are balanced by the leftward force and upward force balanced by the downward force. The result are the three forces are in equilibrium. It can be proved based on the graphical method and mathematical method. The line of the action are coplanar in the same plane and are congruent, they cross the same point. In my opinion, from this experiment is not well convert and interaction given are exactly clear. Errors take place during the data is being recorded. Lastly, the error found in this experiment are the personal error come from carelessness, poor technique, or bias on the part of the experiment. Next is conclusion. In conclusion, from this particular task, I learned how to study force acting on vertical plane using graphical method, know and use the equipment for experiment, and how to analyze the result for the measurement. After that, equilibrium is a state of an object in which all the force acting upon in are balanced. In such cases, the net force is 0 Newton. If at equilibrium, then all the vertical component must balance and all the horizontal component must balance. Okay, 9 is references. Our references is from Google and books is given. It's all. Thank you.